Hi, I'm Rob Howard, and I'm inviting you to come join us at the Gallery Teachers Masterclass From the Classroom to the Boardroom, Becoming a Business English Professional. What you can expect to hear is some of the skills that you need in order to improve as a business English professional. Now, going from general English to business English requires more skills and understanding how to help your students in different ways. We all know that the future is business and English, and this is a large growing field, and there's need for teachers like you, but you need to learn more skills. And you'll hear more about this at the Gallery Teachers Masterclass From the Classroom to the Boardroom. Hope to see you there.